Hello everyone, I am Sakshi Dhanokar. Today we will discuss about the circulatory system. So what is circulatory system? Circulatory system is also called as a cardiovascular system. It consists the heart and blood vessel running throughout the body, and that help to deliver the nutrients and oxygen to all cells in a body. So it is called as a cardiovascular system. Now, first we discuss the main organ of a circulatory system or cardiovascular system, that is a heart. Heart is a fish-sized organ present in our cardiovascular system, or it is a main organ of a cardiovascular system that help to pump out the blood throughout your body. So, circulatory system contain muscles and tissue make up the powerhouse of an organ inside or outside of the heart. So heart consists muscular sections, that is chamber, that briefly hold the blood before moving it, or consists the electrical impulses make our heart beat moving blood through this chamber. So the heart is located in behind the sternum bone and the straight axis of our lung, or it consists of four layer, that is pericardium, epicardium, myocardium, and endocardium. Pericardium is the first layer of a heart, second layer is a epicardium, third one is a myocardium, fourth is a endocardium. Our heart consists four chambers, that is two atria and two ventricle. Atria is a smaller in a size than ventricle. Ventricle is a larger in a size. Atria is a thin wall, or a ventricle is a thick wall. So heart consists thick walled ventricles due to presence of blood pressures between the atria and the ventricle to pump out the blood, or some transfer the blood from atria to the ventricle. There is a wall is present. So the atria and the left ventricle consists the tricuspid wall, and the right ventricle and the right atria consists the bicuspid wall. This chamber of a heart is separated by intraventricular septum that are present between the two atria and the two ventricles. The wall present in a heart is due to avoid the black flow of a blood, or consists the unidirectional flow of a blood. There is also two walls are present in a heart, that is the pulmonary wall and the aortic wall. The pulmonary wall present in the right ventricle and the between the pulmonary vein, and the aortic wall present between the left ventricle and the aorta. Second organ of a cardiovascular system, that is blood vessel. Blood vessels consist arteries, vein, capillaries. First one is the arteries. Arteries carry the oxygenated blood, or carry the blood away from the heart. Exception pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery carry the deoxygenated blood. Artery carries small lumen. The lumens of arteries are in a smaller in a size. The largest artery present in our heart is the aorta, that carry the oxygenated blood away from the heart toward to the other body parts. Arteries are a thick walled because they carry the oxygenated blood. Second one is a vein. Vein carry the blood from body towards the heart, or their lumen of veins are get larger in a size than the arteries. The largest vein present in our heart, that is the inferior vena cava. The vein produce the deoxygenated blood, except pulmonary vein that carry the oxygenated blood from body towards the heart. Third one is a capillaries. Capillaries is a structure, or it is a network of arteries and the veins. So capillaries present in a network like structure. Now guys, keep it one thing in our mind, that is a pulmonary arteries and the pulmonary vein. This is the exception of artery and the vein. Pulmonary artery carry deoxygenated blood, or or other arteries carry oxygenated blood, where the pulmonary vein carry oxygenated blood, other vein carry deoxygenated blood. So keep it in mind. Now we discuss about the coronary arteries. Coronary arteries carry the blood or a nutrient through a network of coronary arteries. These arteries run along our heart surface, so they have a heart itself and include the left coronary arteries or right coronary arteries. Left coronary arteries include circumflex arteries or left anterior descending arteries. So what is the circumflex arteries? Circumflex arteries supply the blood to the left atrium and the side and the back of the left ventricle. This is the circumflex artery or left anterior descending artery, that is LAD. It supplies the blood to the front and the bottom of the left ventricle and the front of a septum that present or that divide the heart into two sections. Right coronary artery, that is RCA, that provide or supply the blood to the right atrium and the right ventricle or a bottom portion of the left ventricle and the back of the septum. Our heart consists electrical conduction system. In electrical conduction system, um, there is a certain parts produce their heart, that is a SA node, atrioventricular node, that is a AV node. Third one is a left bundle branch, that is bundle of Higgs, consists the right bundle of branch and the left bundle of branch and include called as a bundle of H, that is Purkinje fiber. So SA node produce the signal that make your heart beat. So SA node is responsible for your heartbeat. The second one is the AV node. AV node carry the electrical signals from your heart to upper chamber to its lower chamber. So AV nodes carry the electrical signals and they transfer from atrium to the ventricle. Third one is a bundle of His. Bundle of His present between ventricle, lower part of a ventricles, or it carry the impulses or produce the impulses in a ventricle part. So at the end of the bundle of fish there is a Purkinje fiber start, and that Purkinje fiber make our heart ventricle contract and pump up out the blood. Due to this Purkinje fiber, or with the help of this Purkinje fiber, our heart able to contract and pump out the blood in our body. There are certain disorders and the conditions are related our heart are seen shortly. First one is the arrhythmia, cardiomyopathy, congestive heart failure, that is called as CHF, coronary artery disease, that is largely occur in a heart, diseases, diabetes, heart attacks, that is myocardial infarction, high heart valve disease, high cholesterol disease, pericarditis, etc. These are the diseases including heart. And that's all about the cardiovascular system. Thank you.